Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. When someone talks about mobile workstations, most people expect the impression that mobile workstations are bulky, giant size, and industrial-level ugly designed. But it turns out that workstation products can also be very artistic. MSI recently launched its new workstation series laptop, the WS658SK431. This powerful workstation is built with G-series thin and light design body. It is equipped with the most powerful Intel Core i7-8750H processor, boosting to a crazy 4.1 GHz. It has an integrated NVIDIA Quadro P3200 graphics card, with 16 GB of video RAM. It is paired with 32 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of super-fast SSD storage. The WS65 also comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. Surprisingly, we thought WS65 would be a power-eating beast, like the MSI GT series. But the design of a 230 watts single power supply brought a touch of portability to this workstation. So let's dig in the details and find out whether this workstation is worth your money. MSI WS65. MSI is a world-leading manufacturer of high-performance computing hardware. MSI has brought to light the new WS65 mobile workstation series. The laptop provides a sleek design that uses Intel's Core i7-8750H processor. The WS65 is powered by a powerful NVIDIA Quadro P3200 graphics card. However, unlike typical workstation, WS65 features a thin design without compromising on the power. They're powerful, ready to tackle everything a pro designer or engineer will throw at them. It looks pretty sleek, and similar to HP's Spectre, instead of a standard mobile workstation. While it was designed for portability, the WS65 also offers 8 hours of battery life. It features an all-metal chassis, a thin screen bezel, and a white backlit keyboard. It is essentially the workstation version of MSI's GS65 thin laptop. Design. The WS65 has a slim aluminum chassis, a matte black gold diamond around the lid. A golden stylized W for the workstation is stamped on the middle of the hood. This new minimalistic copper logo gives a sense of elegance, suited for the business class. The built-in fingerprint sensor is designed for high privacy protection and business security. Each side of the laptop's hinge has a neat golden circle around a spiral texture. Despite it being part of its workstation line, the WS65 still manages to look decent. The interior is sleek and decent as the exterior, with a white backlit keyboard, with an elongated touchpad. The power button also has a gold border, and a recess for below heat dissipation. The thin bezel providing an incredible screen-to-body ratio for a compact chassis. The build quality of the WS65 gives out a feel of a premium business laptop. The total thickness is only 17.9 mm, and the bottom side is 13.29 mm thick. But it doesn't sacrifice the durability that consumers can expect from a workstation. At 4.3 pounds, the WS65 is remarkably light for a 15-inch laptop, especially a workstation. You can enjoy extreme versatility and mobility with the WS65. You can easily carry this lightweight and compact laptop in your backpack. The sturdy and ergonomically designed laptop let you work with convenience for a longer duration. MSI is dedicated to helping the modern professional to achieve outstanding performance. You can open this laptop's lid for up to 180 degrees. Display. The WS65 comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. The 15.6-inch features a thin bezel, with 1920 by 1080 resolution. It's built with an IPS panel, for wide viewing angles and vivid colors. The IPS panel offers exceptional color fidelity, and a high contrast rate. The display is also pretty good, having vibrant colors that look natural and accurate. The display delivers vibrant colors, stunning details, and sharp images with true color technology. The display is fantastic, providing an accurate and vivid window that best depicts your creation. The display comes with 72% coverage of the NTSC gamut, and 100% of sRGB. This workstation also delivers stunning graphics and videos. At 393 nits of brightness, the WS65's display once again crushed the category. It gets reasonably bright, and bright enough for any indoor work. It also has an anti-glare finish, to help with working in bright sunlight. The high-quality display offers fluid-free and tear-free visuals. It's ideal for productivity work, and the lower resolution helps boost the battery life. The WS65 offers a smooth and colorful gaming experience. Performance. The WS65 brings the best of both when it comes to power and portability. It is equipped with a Core i7-8750H 2.2 GHz processor, which provides robust performance. The CPU is clocked at 2.2 GHz at the basic level, and it may grow to 4.1 GHz. The Intel i7 CPU and NVIDIA Quadro P3200 graphics are great for heavy tasks. Its 512 GB of SSD drive can easily store an ample amount of data. Coupled with a generous 32 GB of memory, the WS65 is ready for just about anything. MSI has directed its WS65 at business users, and has equipped its notebook with suitable hardware. It's good for more than just web browsing and streaming video. It's a strong all-rounder for photo and video editing, to gaming on medium settings. It is fantastic for 3D model rendering, AutoCAD, and video editing. Creator Center allows you to adjust SolidWorks, AutoCAD, and more performance settings. Both content creators and gamers stand to gain decent performance from WS65. The specs of WS65 can provide you with a smooth user experience. Keyboard. The WS65 has pretty much your standard MSI keyboard, and its SteelSeries backlit. This keyboard layout takes a little bit of time to get used to it. The white keyboard backlighting has 2 levels of brightness. The white backlight was solid, and the font on the keys was a bit edgy. The backlight makes the laptop easy to use in dark or dim light environments. But the keys were still reasonably shallow for a 15-inch laptop. It will make you feel comfortable to type on for extended periods. If the keys had more travel, that would have been much more comfortable. This fantastic keyboard will give you an enjoyable typing experience. There's minimal flex on the keyboard, that too on pressing very hard. This keyboard doesn't come with a numeric keypad. Touchpad. The premium glass touchpad offers an enlarged surface area. The WS65 has a smooth finish, perfect for all your clicks, scrolls, and multi-touch gestures. The touchpad is accurate, and the click mechanism feels good. The touchpad is responsive when navigating websites or documents. It's not the most oversized touchpad you'll ever see on a 15-inch laptop, but it does the trick. The built-in fingerprint reader in the touchpad is an excellent addition. Also, the Windows 10 gestures, such as 2-finger scrolling and 3-finger tabs, worked well. Connectivity. There is an abundance of ports on the MSI WS65. It gives you plenty of options for connecting your peripherals. On the left, you get a security slot, an Ethernet port, 2 USB Type-A ports, and a microphone port. On the right, you get an HDMI port, a display port, a Thunderbolt 3 port, and a USB Type-A port. The laptop's backside has a triangle cooling fence, and it also gives a modern look. The WS65 packs a discrete DPM chip and a built-in fingerprint reader regarding security. Battery. The MSI WS65 has impressive battery life. A 4-cell, 82 watt-hours battery power. It offers a decent battery life of up to 8 hours of moderate use. If you surf the web, at 150 nits of brightness, the battery will last for about 6 hours. If you do intense graphics work, you're going to take a hit on the battery. The battery life is modest by modern standards, but excellent by Workstation 1. Speakers. The WS65's bottom-firing speakers were comfortable to listen to, but they lacked bass. The audio was decent, but it didn't sound bright enough to make you feel good. But the stereo effect is really pronounced on this device. The sound quality is sufficient for YouTube videos and video calls. For a more intense experience, you can also connect external speakers or headphones. If you're a professional creative, these speakers can't be used for sound mixing. Webcam. The 720p webcam is pretty standard, and performs well. The WS65's camera can be used during your Zoom calls and Google Meets. You'll need an external webcam for anything professional seeming. Operating system. The WS65 comes with Windows 10 Pro operating system. Pros. Cons. Conclusion. The MSI WS65 mobile workstation is a fantastic device. It is a powerful workstation, with solid battery, and a gorgeous display and a super slim chassis. It takes strong performance, and a military durable chassis. The WS65 is a thin, costly and presentable workstation. It features fantastic graphics, excellent display quality, and a valuable collection of interface options. It is designed for professionals working with CAD, photo and video editing, 3D and VR modeling, and more. This device takes you through high-end gaming, as well as intensive productivity work. The updated WS65 has attractive features, including a glass touchpad, Thunderbolt 3, and more. Consider WS65 only if you really need this level of performance and mobility for your work. It will be available at a base price of $2,300, approximately 170,000 rupees. Specification table. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Also hit that bell icon, so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. In my channel, you will get the detailed and latest laptop reviews, plus the things to consider, to help you choose the best laptop for you. If you're curious about the current pricing and availability, you can check the description, and click on the Amazon link. If you use that Amazon link to make a purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive, and helpful content coming your way. You can also find a more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Let me know your thoughts on this video in the comments below. Have a great one, and I will see you in the next video.